How to create collections on Shopify store online store setup tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about setting up collections and creating them in the easiest way and then showing them in the Shopify store. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your Shopify and you're either going to obviously create an account or log in with a current Shopify account, okay? Now, in the case that you don't have a current account, simply just go into add account over here. And once you do that, it's going to ask you for an email of sort. So obviously I'm going to click on get started, sign up with email. Now here, just add the relevant information like name and stuff. And then obviously add the email that you want to sign up with. Now, do make sure to add your most in use in business email. Okay, don't go ahead and add some email that you don't use at all. So I'm gonna add that, and now we're just gonna re-enter the password, and from here on out, the account is gonna be created. So now it's gonna take us straight into the creation page where it's gonna ask us a few questions about our Shopify. So I'm just gonna skip the formalities and click on create store, and it'll let it take us to where the main business starts. So it finally brings us to our, just gonna click on skip all, okay. And then it finally loads us into the main Shopify dashboard, and in the main Shopify dashboard, what happens is all the things that we just added, we're allowed to obviously optimize them and set them accordingly. Now, your collection section is a section that can appear in your products section, okay? So you basically create a collection out of the products that you're selling on your store, and then you can use those products that you have in a collection in your store so you don't have to again and again compile them together for other instances. So it's a pretty fun and it's a pretty, you could say, easy and fast way to get rid of the formalities, okay? So again, simply all we're going to do is we're going to go ahead into products over here. Now, as we're going to be seeing, I currently don't have any products, so I'm just going to go ahead and add some products for myself. You can drop ship a few products if you want for yourself, but I'm just going to simply go ahead and add a few products. So let's say I'm going to add a shirt, or you know what, add a polo white shirt, okay? So there you go, polo white shirt. Obviously, you can leave down a description if you want to. And you can obviously create a category for it. Obviously, it suggests clothing, so we're just going to keep it at clothing. Then you can add media as well, where you can upload the variant pictures of your product over here. And once you've done that, you're going to click on collections. And here you can see it says homepage, but what if you want to create a new collection? You don't want this collection specifically. So let me tell you how we're going to do that. So you're going to come over to collections over here. We're just going to save this as it is. And we're going to come over to collections. There we go. And once you go over to collections, it gives you the homepage collection, but I want to create a new collection of my own. So here, let's say I want to add new deals and products. Let's just call it that. And once you call it that, collection type could be, you can add products to this collection manually one by one or automated. So existing and future products that add match the conditions will be adjusted accordingly. I would prefer to keep that off. I'm just going to keep it on manual because I would much prefer adding things to my collections myself. So there we go. Now you've just created a collection, right? Now we're going to go over to the products. Okay, here's my products. I'm just going to add some pricing. Let's say I'm going to add this much pricing. Compare at price. There we go. Now, once we do this here in collections, I'm going to remove that, open up the collection, and there you go, new deals and products. So that adds a collection. I'm going to add that and click on save. And obviously we're going to go back. Let's say I want to create another product, right? So I'm going to add black, let's go with a crew neck t-shirt. And then again, go into collections. There we go. Price, do the same thing. Add the pricings, add the compare price. And once you've done that, finally click on save. And once we do that, we obviously have new products in our collections, right? So how are we to display these products? Okay, so let me show you. First of all, you're going to come to your online store. Make sure to choose a theme that you're fond of. Make sure to choose a theme that you think is, good and fun to run your store. And once you've chosen that theme for yourself from there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on Customize. And once we click on Customize, it's going to take us to the store editor. Now, in the store editor, as you can see, it already gives us the featured products, but, let's say I want to add a new collection of these featured products. So I'm going to remove this featured collection. I'm going to click on Add Section, and I'm going to write Featured Collection. Okay, we're going to add that. And obviously, it's going to ask us which featured collection are you talking about. So I'm going to click on Select Collection, and we're going to select this collection over here. Click on Select, and as you can see, it adds the featured collection that we just displayed in our store or in our Shopify dashboard settings. And that's how basically you're going to create collection and display them. And obviously, you can go ahead and edit these in any way you find better or possible. You can change the heading sizes, maximum products to show. You can change the color schemes that these have. So just set these accordingly. And then finally, you're going to click on save. Okay. So once you've done all of this and you've clicked on save, from there on out, what is going to be happening is you've added a collection. Now, obviously, this is to add collections and all. You can keep on adding more collections to this, by the way. All you're going to simply do is you're going to go on products. The more products you add, the more options it gives you to add to your collection. So simply all you're going to do, I'm just going to give you one more example with one more product. I'm going to just add a leather jacket black. Okay. So again, you have this product. To add it, just click on collections, add it into the collections, click on save, and there you go. So now it's in your collection, and you can also see the collections tab, and you can see the amount of products that it has. You can remove these products. You can add more products into this, search different products through best selling and all. And that's what collection is good for. You can search products in bulk and keep track of everything. So that's about it. That is how you're going to create a collection on Shopify store.
So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.